Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to play Man on a Silver Mountain. Let's start with the main riff. You'll primarily use power chords, beginning with an A5 on the 5th fret. Strum it twice, then move to a G5 on the 3rd fret, also twice. Follow this with an open E5, then back to the G5. Pay close attention to the syncopated rhythm to capture the song's driving feel. Repeat this sequence to build a solid foundation for the track. Next, let's tackle the verse and pre-chorus sections. The verse typically follows a straightforward progression, often using a minor, G, and D chords. Focus on clean transitions between these shapes. When you move into the pre-chorus, you'll introduce a C major chord before returning to the main riff's feel. Practice these changes slowly at first, ensuring each chord rings out clearly. The key is maintaining a consistent tempo as you switch. Now, let's dive into the powerful chorus and the bridge. The chorus often features strong, open chords like G, D, and C, giving it a big anthemic sound. Strum these with conviction. The bridge section provides a slight dynamic shift, sometimes incorporating different voicings or a more melodic approach before building back to the chorus. Keep your strumming hand consistent and your chord changes precise to maintain the song's energy through these crucial parts. Finally, we'll look at the solo and the outro. The solo is often blues-based, utilizing the A minor pentatonic scale with some classic rock bends and vibrato. Listen closely to the original to capture its feel and phrasing. For the outro, the song typically repeats the main riff, gradually fading out or ending with a strong, final power chord. Practice these sections to bring the song to a powerful close. And for more great deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.